Hey there, beach lovers. Welcome back to our Florida Suncoast Real Estate Channel. I'm Keith Connors with Charles Rettenberg Realty here in Clearwater, Florida. Today we're going to check out the latest market update for Indian Rocks Beach, Florida, one of the 8 beaches we service. And stick around because I'm going to share everything you need to know about inventory levels, home prices, and how fast properties are or not selling. Plus, don't miss my pitiful property punchline for a little laugh before we get started. And here's a bonus for you too. I've included a free link below to see every home currently for sale on or near Indian Rocks Beach and all 8 beaches here on the Florida Suncoast. Remember, when you know the market, getting your best deal is pretty easy and it makes it a lot more fun. All right, here's our joke of the day, our pitiful property punchline. Why did the house go to therapy? Well, because of course at closing they found it had too many issues. Now let's check on the real estate market here in Indian Rocks Beach, Florida. As of December 2024, here's what the numbers tell us. Indian Rocks Beach currently has 6.43 months supply of inventory, marking a massive 233% increase compared to last year. It's a big shift and a sign that more homes are hitting the market. The list to sold price ratio is at 90.6%, meaning homes are selling for about 90% of their asking price, even if the price has dropped. Buyers may have some room for negotiation. The median days on market now is at 52 days here, showing that homes are taking just under 2 months to sell, on average. Some are coming off the market. And finally, the median sold price at Indian Rocks Beach is $735,000. The market here is balancing out, making it a good time to explore opportunities, whether you're buying or selling. Thanks for checking out the channel. Appreciate you checking out the market update. Please feel free to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone you love or someone you like just a little bit. That works too. And don't forget to check out the free link in the description below. It's your fastest way to check out every home for sale on or near Indian Rocks Beach. And if you go back to the main page, MrBeachhousecom, you can scroll down and click on any one of the 8 beaches here on the Suncoast. Remember, when you know the market, getting your best deal is really easy. Have a great day. I'll see you on the beach or in the next video. Peace.